Check out this Teamson home floor cabinet. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is just a nice little floor cabinet that we have. It's not too high, it's probably about like 2.5 to 3 feet tall. And it's just, as you can see, it's a corner cabinet that we use and it's just a great little piece of furniture that we have for our bathroom. If we open the door, you can check inside and see how much room there actually is. There's a glass shelf up here. There's another one right beneath it. And we have 3 different layers that you can place towels on. You can place tissues on as well. Put paper towels in there too. And it just there's so many things that you can place in this floor cabinet. Now you could also place this in a different room. It doesn't have to be your bathroom. You can place it wherever you would like. And it just really creates a cozy little corner for whatever you have in your bathroom, or again, wherever you want to put it. So I hope you enjoyed this review and I'll see you next time.